Trader, I'm gonna show you how to make $3,000 in 30 minutes. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward. And we are gonna start with the very first pair of the day, and that is going to be Euro USD. Boom. We're gonna be checking on 4 hours. So look, I haven't done any drawing yet. So what I'm gonna show you is something from scratch so you can see it. So it's gonna be a different way. So last week I told you guys that if you don't know how to trade, guys, just add this indicator into your chart art. It's gonna be the yellow box with the arrow either green or red. So when the green arrow come up with the yellow arrow, boom, market will switch and goes up. And then look at here again, it came the yellow box with the red arrow, market drop, it shows up again, market went up. And then look at what happened, market retraced back and gave us a new indication the market is in a sell. But that's one way. Another easy way to see it is look at the dashboard, guys. I like to pay attention what's 4 hours a daily doing. Look, just by looking at the daily time frame, it's telling us that we are in a sell position. But the 4 hours is saying that we are what? Doing a pullback against the sellers, right? That's the only time frame that is in green. So the next thing that I do is this. I pay attention to the multiple time frame ones. TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. So the daily time frame here is telling us that we are in a sell position, right? Which is true. So that's exactly what we are seeing. Look at the 4 hours. The 4 hours is saying, hey, Irvin, I'm in a buy position. Is it true? Look at what happened on Friday, guys. Market gave us a what? A buy trend. So this bullish trend is accurate. Remember, this is a pullback. So pullback is accurate, guys. Look at what happened. Yellow box came in with a green arrow. And market is heading up. So in my opinion, if you ask me, Irvin, how far is this gonna go? In my opinion, it's gonna come back and retest your 23 to your 0 Fibonacci level one more time. And bam, from there market will drop because we are selling. So let me make the drawing one more time. It's gonna come to your 23. And then from there, boom, market will drop. That is my analysis for Euro USD. If I'm making it too hard, please let me know, guys. Or if I'm confusing you, it's very important for you to understand. But I'm gonna give you another pairs, and just let me know whatever is in your mind. And if I'm not covering any pair that you want me to do it, please also comment in the bottom of this video and let me know, Irvin, can you add this pair? And I will make that video for you because it's very important for us to make money on the market, right? Easy, we need to make at least 3,000 a week. All right, so the next pair that I'm gonna show you guys is going to be gold. Boom. Look, I'm gonna let me delete all this drawing. Look at here. Let's go back to history. Dashboard. What is the dashboard saying? Look at the dashboard from 1 month all the way to 30 minutes. It's only going in one direction. It's saying the market here is bullish. That's it. That's simple. So we already know where is gold heading. This is, remember, this is gold. We're checking it in 4 hours. If that is too complicated to read this dashboard here, pay attention to the yellow box with the green arrow. Yellow box with the red arrow. So when it's up, it shows up. When it's coming down, it shows up. When it switches, it goes up, back and forth, back and forth. Now that we know the market is in a buy, let's go and check the real data. Look, guys, I haven't done any drawing this week because I wanted to show you how easy it is really to make 3,000 in either 30 minutes, 1 hour, however you want to do it. But it's very straightforward, very simple. So let's go back to real data so you can see it, right? Let me shrink the candle a bit so you can fully see it. So look, like I said, multiple time frame is saying with the dashboard that we are in a buy trend. Here's your multiple time frame. Look at the TW sniper entry. And look at the stairs. Where's the stair heading, guys? The market is only going in one direction only, and that is bullish. That's it. Look at what happened in here. Yellow box shows up with the green arrow, and what happened? Bam! If someone told you this week, I'm sorry, last week, the gold was in a sell position, you should have been blown your account by now because there's no sell position on the market at this present time. It's not. I don't know how I put that line in there, but anyway, so hopefully none of you guys didn't blow your account, because it does not make any sense for you. So this is my weekly analysis for gold this coming week. Remember, gold here is very bullish. Here's your yellow box with the green arrow. So market is heading up. So market here, what we're looking for this coming week, market is gonna consolidate somewhere in here. So, and then from there, we are expecting to see a retracement. Remember, market is in a buy trend, but gold is gonna do a retracement. How far it's gonna come? It's gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame, which is gonna be your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci, and from there, market will continue up. Very straightforward, guys. It's not hard. It's not hard, to be honest. Let me know, what do you think? Are you planning to trade gold this week, or are you gonna be trading Euro USD? Either pair is gonna be a massive profit. So are you ready to get that money? If so, let me know in the comment below, or let me know if you want me to make a different video. Okay, once again guys, thank you, and I will see you back on our next video. Take care. Peace out. Bye. Boom.